Hello everyone, it's Janki and welcome back to my channel. And I recently recalled that I did not shoot an introduction to the video that I have already edited, and that is traveling plus reading blog. And so the book that I'll be taking with me in this journey of mine is beach read. This also happens to be a genre that I don't read much from, and so yes, I'm going to give this a try and see how do I feel about this book. And yes, without any further ado, I'll just add the clips. This is such a boring introduction I could have filmed, but I couldn't come up with something at the moment because I'm shooting it literally after shooting the last clip of this video. So yes, welcome to the vlog.
महबूबा है अपने साथ लेकर जाएंगे, मर के भी जीने की अदा दुनिया को
सिखलाएगा वो मुकद्दर का सिकंदर कहलाएगा
का सिकंदर जाने मन कहलाएगा। रोते हुए आते हैं सब हंसता हुआ जो जाएगा।
Hello guys, it's another day and I should have technically read more while I was traveling, and that was my plan as well, but that doesn't really happen. You just enjoy the journey and the music with it. So yes, I was able to read around 40 to 50 pages during my travel, and the rest 50 to 60 pages while I arrived at my destination. And like a beach read, up until now I don't really know how do I like it. I've read 112 pages of it. It's like I neither love what is happening, nor do I resent what I'm reading. Like I'm in somewhere in the middle, and I really don't know how do I feel about this book right now, but let's just see how does it fare. And yes, I tabbed one thing that I really liked, like writing wise, and it was exceptionally written. And yes, let us see how this read goes. Hello everyone, my traveling thing has come to an end, and with that I also completed Beach Read while I was coming back to my home. And this is one of those books that falls under the category of books that you can't form your mind on, like how do you like it. And another thing is that this also happens to be my out of comfort zone reading genre. So I'm still thinking, how should I feel about this book? What do I need to say about this book is that it's really mature. It's not your usual cheesy happily ever after romances. It has a very realistic touch to it, which I loved reading about. Secondly, I love the friendship between one of our main characters, January, and her friend Shadi. They share an amazing bond, which is really limited in here, but I had great time whenever the conversation between the two occurred. That was really good. What else do I think about this book? Our main character, the narrator of the book, is like, it's narrated through January's point of view, our main character, and sometimes in between I think her backstory, like, that did not resonate so much with me. I did not feel so much connected to the both characters, so that was somewhere missing for me. And like it wasn't a 5-star read for me. I think I'll give it a 3.5 stars. I don't really know, 3 or 3.5 seems much probable. And yes, I did not like, again I'm repeating myself, I neither loved this book, neither did I resent reading this book. It was okay, it was great. And yes, I can even try some of her other works to see how do I like her other works. So yes, that was The Beach Read for you. And with this, we also put an end to our reading cum traveling vlog. And I could only complete this one book, but that's great. There's no rush. And yes, thank you all for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to support my channel by liking, sharing, subscribing and commenting. And yes, meet you next time.